how excited people get the first time they're in Galaxy's Edge. Star Wars fans enjoying the sights and sounds. In just a few months, what are we, August? Oh gosh, we gotta wait 5 more months still. In 5 more months, Rise of the Resistance. Just as soon as the holiday rush is done, and after New Year's in January, hopefully, if they keep, progressing with the attraction as they're guessing, hopefully they don't run into any more issues, we'll have Rise of the Resistance.
If you want to get on that hunk and jump Millennium Falcon, stay to your right hand side down that walkway.
I don't know why they have to keep calling it a hunk of junk. It has done some great things. The Millennium Falcon has done some great things. I mean, it did make the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs. Have you done the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs? Has your super fancy space jet thing done the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs? I don't think so.
Welcome to Black Square. Right side.
Right side. Bye, look out. Oh, they went the other way. Oh. Sorry, Dad, just missed her.
Fresh Baked!
We're looking for a band of resistance supporters. Do you have clearance for this sector?
No.
No. Well then, were you planning to cause trouble?
Of course.
Thanks for the heads up.
You're welcome.
Now move along.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
And that is our scrap metal builder for the day, guys, Evan Layton. Causing trouble as usual.
Every time.
So builders, what we're going to be doing is as soon as the doors open, I'm going to want to get you in very quickly, just in case the stormtroopers do come on patrol. You're going to be giving, so we coming soon? Yeah. Okay. So if you will be giving Kelly your credentials. So if everybody's ready, let's go.
Yellow card, please. Thank you. Come on in. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it. First, I'd like to apologize for having to rush you in that way. But since the first order arrived a couple of weeks ago, we have to be very careful. See, we have been a secret here for so long, and we want to preserve that secret for years to come. And I know to you this might just look like scrap and clutter, but to us, it's everything. Please let me introduce Marion, Dave, Lynn. I am Josie. And we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. See, we travel the galaxy looking for war-torn planets, abandoned outposts, and forgotten ancient temples for all of these relics. And if the First Order were to come in, our hope is they would think this is all just bits and pieces of junk. But we know that these items, these artifacts, are rich in history, and we are here to preserve that history to ensure your future. Now, as you've seen, we are in troubled times. But you've all heard the legends like Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Excellent. And now there is a new Jedi, and her name? Rey. Yes, Rey. and she is our spark of hope. And I believe builders just like them, you too have heard the call, because you're here to build this, the lightsaber. They say to build one is a work of art. It is beautiful and mysterious, and it is personal. It's been held by some of our greatest of heroes and some of our darkest of enemies. And I believe, builders, is what will connect you to the Force. And it all starts with one thing. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It harnesses the Force to power your saber. Now the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. And there might be many colors out there in the galaxy, but we have gathered 4 for you today. And I'd like to start with this one. Blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now red. And green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, legendary Luke Skywalker. And violet. It is rare and beautiful. And it was once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And finally, red. The crystal of power. Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now, Kylo Ren. But builders, enough with them and their stories. It is time for you to start your journeys. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. So builders, if you would, please close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes. Now, in your mind, what crystal comes to you? What color speaks to you? Now builders, once you have it in your mind, if you would hold on to it. And now builders, if you would, open your eyes. And reach for your crystal.
It's going Mace Windu.
Now, builders, if you haven't already, please place your crystal in the green holder in front of you. Now for the hilt. The hilt will house the heart of your lightsaber. It will focus its energy and magnify the blade. Now, and more importantly of all, it will keep your fingers from being disintegrated. So, my fellow gatherers on are coming around and placing the pieces that you chose earlier. Now, in these trays, you'll also be going to see your chassis. In 1 and 2, you're going to see handles and grips. In 3, your emitters. In 4, in your pummel caps. And in 5, you're going to see 2 sets of activation plates. And you'll be choosing one of each of those last 3. So builders, are you ready to build? Oh, builders, are you ready to build? Yes! Then let's build. Go ahead, builders. What you want to do is on the side of the windows.
It's going to go inside this
So you're going to spring to spring loaded. So you're going to find on the side of this one, it gets a spring inside your second and push up. Push up, push up. Let's say like the tip. You need some help with that. As you are pushing the bottom into the bottom side. Excellent. Go ahead and give it a little twist once you have activation plates. That's going to be a number 5. They are a set and they do need to stay together. Inside of your plates and on the side of your chassis, you're going to have some markings. Make sure that that red square goes into the red square. And that the blue rectangle goes into the blue rectangle. Excellent. You do want to hear that noise when you have it together. Now, once you have that, you're going to want to put that 2 of the 4 handles or grips. So you're going to pick any 2 of the 4 handles or grips. I'm going to have you turn that so that the open end is up. So now you're going to take 2 of the 4 of the handles or grips. Now, what you do need to know about those Just make sure you get that thick band as you have it, and then you're turning them to the attachment. Turn to the right.
That's what I want to hear. Okay. Now when it starts your
Now there will be the emitter. So either
and then the
emitter.
grip goes in first towards the center. Use any two of those four and your combination of that. Exactly right. And you must have the ways of the horse about you. You're almost done.
Now
Have you done this
when you
before?
are done,
Oh, really?
put it in the stand in front of
You're
you.
great. You're almost done.
Can't decide.
Gotta trust your instincts.
Because that's not what you want. It's not number one. Get this out of here, right?
It'll speak to you, Evan. It looks cool.
Can I ask you to activate? Okay, thank you very much. Here. Oh, I went a little too closely into the lightsaber. See, that's how we got that vent over there. Yeah, because someone was looking at it. Luckily, he saw the blade coming at him, and he just had it
Just trying to add some ventilation to the head.
It's a fine blade, Evan. Well, it's not the blade yet. Hilt.
Yeah, I've gotten pretty good. Yeah. You guys have given me a lot of practice of dodging and stuff. Now, did you go ahead and tighten this one? This will have to be tightened. If you don't, I will eventually. Yeah, just pushing it towards the front. Now, actually, you don't want it to be centered like that. You want it all to be like that. Because that is, if you yes.
Translate it, come back and let us know. Is that okay?
I see some incredible bills. However, it is now time for the most dangerous part of the whole process. So if you would please take a large step back. All the way back. My fellow gatherers are coming around and they are placing your hilt in the crystal stabilization chamber. Now, stabilizing a lightsaber is usually done by, let's say, someone that is force sensitive. But we are just humble gatherers, and we rely on this technology and a well-practiced hand. Luckily for all of you, you have 3 of the best gatherers performing this for you right now. So I do not expect any more issues. Yes, I know. It was for him there in the box, but he chose not to come out. So it looks like now everybody is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this now sit and get stabilized, and then down the mat.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Oh, builders, the force must be strong in here. And it is. It's time to forge that bond between builder and saber. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you to step forward. Put your hand on your hilt, and together we will activate. So builders, if you are ready, take that step forward. Put your hand on your hilt. Let's wait for everyone. Looks like everyone. Take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsaber. Raise it high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who've come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes
May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You have built lightsabers that are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. However, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power, well, should not be dropped on the ground. So for the protection of your lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Now our time has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, someday we might be telling your story. To the spire! Show the spire! Right this way. Thank you for seeing this way.
Now we need to get a picture.
Before we continue our afternoon Fresh Baked, I thought I would stop by the Millennium Falcon to see how she's doing. Looking beautiful as ever. It really is just a spectacular place to be in the presence of. Did you ever think that you were going to see a life-size Millennium Falcon in a park anywhere? It's amazing. She draws quite a crowd, doesn't she? I just shot about 20 minutes or so of some acoustic video, which I'll be sharing on the Disneyland Tours channel. Link in the description below and on our main channel page. Please feel free to enjoy that. We got lots of good stuff on that channel, by the way, that I've been putting out. I've a lot of acoustic, walking around type stuff. Plus, I'm working on some ride-through videos for Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean, and more to come. So check out the acoustic channel, Disneyland Tours. And you can listen to this for a while, which is pretty great, I gotta say.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!